What's up, Etsy sellers? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Do new videos all the time on Etsy success. Today we're going to use Marmalead. How to use Marmalead the right way, because there's a lot of trinkets on Marmalead and I like to use it this way, and I'm going to show you how I use it and why you should use it, and how to not get distracted with using it, because there's so many freaking tools in here that everybody wastes their time on. They're useful tools. They're great tools. But if you're trying to list listings and get things done, you don't want to be playing around in trending, tracking, you want comparison. Storm, comparison, and search. All you want to do, stay away from my listings unless you're brand new and you just like absolutely do not know what you're doing. Stay away from my listings because it's going to take a lot of your time up, because you're going to be getting anxiety about, oh my gosh, my listing is a C-, and then you finally get it to an A+ and it still doesn't sell. So we're going to work on that today. This is how I use Marmalead. This is how you should use Marmalead if you want to sell a lot of things on Etsy. Okay, we're going to do candles. We're going to act like we're a candle seller today, because who doesn't like candles? There's 151,000. I would think there'd be more results for candles. All I typed in was handmade candles. Let's just go candles, because I mean, if it's on Etsy, it should be handmade. 700,000. Ouch! That looks like that hurts. Okay, yeah, that looks like it hurts. I mean, I've felt wax in my hand before. Body balm candle with therapeutic candle. Oh, lickable, kissable. Okay, that's not what we're here for. Okay, so what the heck? Okay, so here we go. You want to create, in your titles and tags, you want to have a few different root nouns, okay? Do you remember what adjectives and nouns are? That's what you want to use in your titles, obviously, because they're words. One's a descriptive word, one is a thing, okay? So everybody talks about long tail keywords. What's a long tail keyword? It's a couple words, more than 2, 3 to 4, 5 even. If you want to get crazy, you can go 6. But a long tail keyword is not adjective, noun, comma. A long tail keyword or long tail keyword phrase, a long tail keyword phrase is going to have multiple adjectives, then a noun, okay? How do you get that to work? If you type 3 words into Marmalead, handmade vegan candle into Marmalead, and this is not going to come back good. I'll tell you that right now. Just watch. One second, please. Okay, see, nothing. That does not mean that handmade vegan candle isn't a good phrase. Check this out. Handmade candle. Just do that. We're gonna go to comparison. Handmade candle. Vegan candle. Handmade candle, vegan candle, and soy candle. Okay. So you want to stack your adjectives in front of your root noun. Your root noun is candle. Let's say we're candle makers. Your root noun is candle, and you would do handmade vegan candle. Okay. If it's handmade, if it's vegan, and all that good stuff. Okay. Handmade, probably not going to be the best one. We'll find a different one. We'll do soy, because if it's on Etsy, it should be handmade. So vegan soy candle. Soy candle is big. Vegan candle's big. Candle's big. Okay. But guess what? If we type in vegan soy candle, it's not going to come back as good. It's just because it's just not being typed in like that as much. Customers usually do soy candle, then they'll look around and they'll go, oh, I want a vegan one. And then they'll do soy candle, then they'll just add vegan at the end. stuff like that. So that's why these apps don't really pick up on long tail keywords, and that's why it's hard to create long tail keyword phrases in Marmalead. So you find multiple, this is the method here, okay? You find multiple 2-word phrases that are really good in Marmalead. Soy candle, vegan candle. Then you know that they're both good, but you don't want to repeat candle, right? Okay, yeah, we don't want to repeat candle. We only have to say it 1 or 2 times, 3 max to repeat in a title, in my opinion. And in my experience, you only want to repeat a noun 3 times. The algorithm does its own work. It mixes and matches. You don't need to freak around a bunch and repeat yourself. This is not 2015 Etsy. So vegan soy candle, there's a long tailer right there for you. It doesn't come back good in Marmalead though, but we do know the 2-word versions are good. So you get your root noun and you stack your adjectives on top of it after checking your adjectives. So let's find some more. Let's act like we didn't find vegan candle or soy candle. Let's go to candle. This is how I use Marmalead. You type a word into here, and then you're going to go to the bubble at the bottom. At the bottom of that bubble, you'll see the bubble in a second. So we know this is good. Okay, you put your keyword in here. It's obviously not going to be candle unless you're a candle maker. You go down to the bottom. Oh, cool. Here's a bubble of a bunch of keywords that are very relevant. Great. Okay. Candle making. No. We don't want candle making. We want to sell to people looking for candles. So let's put it in plural. See if that changes a little bit. There were some words in there that we could have used, but people are probably going to type in candles, plural. And just side note, if you will have to repeat nouns in your tags, and in your title. But if you do have to repeat it, at least one of them and the next one should be plural and singular. Just the algorithm's smart enough to notice, and add an S if somebody typed in candle and you have candles, they'll know to show you. However, an exact match is still pretty powerful. It gives you that little extra oomph. So you got to keep that in mind. Okay, so candle making. No, I don't want to make a candle. I want to sell a candle. Okay. Whatever. We'll go off of here. We'll go, okay. So let's say we see here's vegan here. There's, fragrance. Ooh, scented is in here somewhere. We're going to do scented. And then we're going to do beeswax. Ooh, scented candle. Beeswax candle. Awesome. Okay. And we can go over here we can go on Etsy to look for some inspiration. While I'm on Etsy, I use Everbee. If you want to try it out without a credit card, you can try it for free. The link is in the description. You can help support the channel. Same with Marmalead. If you want to try Marmalead, please do so through my link in the description. Awesome. So here's Everbee's. When you're on a page like this, you can hit product analytics and it'll show you everything. So I'm going to use the one that has the highest estimated revenue. And then once you're on a product page, you can hit product analytics and then it'll bring up some more stuff. So here are their tags. And now Everbee actually estimates for you too. They didn't used to have this, so that's pretty cool. Mother's Day gift. Every mom gets a candle on Mother's Day, right? I'm pretty sure Mother's Day is a candle maker's best friend, and mothers' birthdays. I don't know. I for like my entire childhood, I think I would do a candle for my mom's birthday. I stopped eventually because she wasn't using them. That hurt my feelings. Anyway, soy candles, wood bowl candle. Whoa. I just realized how cool this is. Wood candle. Ooh. That's a new thing? Probably it's not a new thing, but okay. Anyway, scented candle is good. Beeswax candle is good. Wood candle. Okay, so let's say you have a scented soy candle that's in a wood container. You're freaking rolling in it, man. You got 3 adjectives and then a noun. And okay, I guess wood isn't good in Marmalead. Marmalead's pretty strict with their estimations. We could go. Let's go to the past 12 months because Marmalead's future ranks past. So let's go wood candle and see what happened in the last 12 months. Okay, I guess it's not a thing. Guess it's still catching on, huh? Let's see here. Wooden candle holder, wood candle, wooden wick. That's probably a thing, right? Anyway, let's just land the plane a little bit. Scented beeswax soy candle. There's another one with 3 adjectives and 1 noun. You do not want to do scented candle, comma, beeswax candle, comma, soy candle, comma. You're going to waste space and you're going to just repeat yourself. And that is just doesn't look cool. You want the long tails. And that's how you do a long tail. So long story short, bunch of 2-word phrases that you know are good inside of Marmalead. Then you stack adjectives in the title with the root noun. Then in the tags, you can do scented candle, comma, beeswax candle, comma, because you have to. In the tags, you don't want 1-word tags. You want to have an adjective and a noun in every single tag. Otherwise, you're just pulling your listing in all different directions. So start here with search in Marmalead, then go to the bubble, then take bubble words and put them into comparison, then do the stacking thing we just talked about. Okay, if you liked the way I did that and you want to try it, please try Marmalead through the link in my description. It helps support the channel, and I'll keep making videos for you either way. But that's how I like to use Marmalead, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And if you need help with your Etsy shop, definitely reach out to me. My email is in the description, as well as a bunch of helpful links. Peace.